Hi, in this video we'll discuss about locking cells while writing formulas. Now this is one problem which I'm sure all of us have faced once at least. So let's say I've got two costs over here, cost A, cost B, and I want to calculate the total cost, so that is sum, and it gives me $30. Right now my formula is referencing these two cells. What if I want to copy this value over here, but now I'm getting $0? That is because now my formula is referencing these two cells. Earlier my formula was referencing these two cells. Now in order to ensure that this formula over here also gets updated, or this value over here also gets updated whenever these two change, I'll need to lock down the cells. So for that I need to enter into the edit mode by clicking on F2, click on F4 and click on F4. So what we are doing over here is, by making this dollar sign appear for both column and row name, we are locking down these cells, and click on OK. So there is no change to this particular value over here. But if I copy this formula to this, now it's showing me $30 because now I've locked my cells and it is referencing the original cells which I wanted. Let's take another example. So I've got these 5 names over here and I want their corresponding salary from the salary table. So let's use a VLOOKUP. Comma 2, comma false, enter. Now I'll just copy this. Now I'm getting correct values for A and B, but why not for C, D and E? Let's look at the cells which the formula is referencing. So for A, it is referencing from row 3 to row 18, which is fine. For B, now because we've copied this formula from row 3 to row 4, my cell references have changed. Now they've moved from row 4 to row 19. For C, it has even moved one row below what it was referencing for B. So now it has moved to row 5 till row 20. And as you can see in this particular range, C is not present. C is present over here. So that is why we are getting an error. Similarly for D, the cells which are being referred, they do not contain D. D is over here. And the same is the case for E because E is again present above the range. So again, by locking the cells, we can get rid of this problem. So all you need to do is you need to enter into the edit mode, click on F4 so that you've locked the cells, and then just copy this formula. So now you're getting the values for all of them. So just by locking the cells, we can easily get rid of this problem. Thank you.